Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tech and accessories. Today, we're diving into a product that every printer owner should have in their toolkit, the Absonic Printhead Cleaning Kit. This kit is touted as the best printhead cleaning solution for Epson printers. But it works wonders for a variety of brands, including HP, Brother, Canon, and more. So, let's see why this product is a must-have. The Absonic Printhead Cleaning Kit comes in a 100 ml size, perfect for multiple uses without taking up much space. It's designed to unclog printhead nozzles, ensuring your printer delivers crisp and vibrant prints every time. Whether you're using dye-based inks or sublimation inks, this kit has you covered. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need: the cleaning solution itself, a syringe for easy application, and a selection of nozzles tailored for different printer brands. There's a yellow nozzle for Epson and Brother printers, and a white nozzle for HP and Canon printers. This thoughtful design makes it incredibly versatile and user-friendly. Now, let's walk through how to use this cleaning kit. First, ensure that your printer is turned off and unplugged for safety. Attach the appropriate nozzle to the syringe, draw the cleaning solution, and gently insert it into the ink inlet. For most printers, you'll want to use a few drops of the solution. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the cleaning solution to break down any clogs or dried ink. After that, it's time to perform a cleaning cycle from your printer's maintenance menu. This will help flush the printhead and clear any remaining blockages. After running the cycle, check the nozzle check pattern to ensure everything is flowing smoothly again. One of the standout features of the Absonic kit is its exceptional cleaning performance. It's designed to not only remove clogs but also to maintain the overall health of your printer's printhead. Regular use of this kit can extend the lifespan of your printer and save you from costly repairs or replacements. What's great about this cleaning kit is its wide compatibility. It works seamlessly with Epson EcoTank, HP Envy, Canon Megatank, Brother MFC series, and many other models. This means whether you're a casual home user or a professional needing reliable performance, this kit can meet your needs. And here's the best part: it's priced at just $9.59 for the 100 ml kit, making it an affordable solution compared to the cost of repairing a clogged printhead or replacing an entire printer. With the Absonic Printhead Cleaning Kit, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in the longevity and performance of your printing setup. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best printhead cleaning kit for your Epson printer or any inkjet printer, for that matter, look no further than the Absonic Printhead Cleaning Kit. Its ease of use, effectiveness, and affordability make it a top choice for anyone serious about maintaining their printer. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and tech tips. Happy printing, and we'll see you in the next video.